What's happening, guys? Oh, it's been a little bit of time since I've sat in this car and went on a drive. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm just gonna go on a little drive, just have a little bit of fun. Might pull up somewhere, take some pictures of the car. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, let's go ahead and start the car and get the AC cranking because it is 90 degrees out here. And I'm in a sauna basically right now. So let's get this AC on because it is way too hot. Hopefully this camera angle is decent because it's the first time ever trying it right there. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully I don't have to replace 2 windshields or windows, whatever. Hopefully that one doesn't crack. I could just tell I'm sweaty on camera. Not a good look. Not a good look. Let's do a quick poll. That was intelligent mode, by the way. As you can tell, I was being very intelligent. Doing a pull in the middle of the road, busy intersection. So one thing I wanted to talk to you guys about, some future plans with this car. So I do plan on going E85. I just got to get a couple more things that I want to do to the car and install on the car before I actually take it to the tune again and spend a good buck on that. So in the future, you guys are going to see a couple more installs. I'll make videos on that stuff. So we're going to get all those parts installed. We're going to take it to English Racing. That's who tunes this car. We're going to have him tune it for E85. That's going to be that. Hopefully I hit like 350 wheel horsepower. I'm just kind of shooting for 350, 340 possibly, just to not push it too hard. Any more after that, I'm going to need to have an engine build already planned because I don't plan for this thing to last too long going past 350. This ain't no Type RA motor and it ain't built, so I don't want to push it too hard. So yeah, let's just get to that road that I want to get to. Let's drive a little bit, enjoy the car, and then we're going to post the car up and take some pictures and videos of it. So I adjusted the camera angle a little bit to the left here. I don't know if that's better. It's probably better than just looking at me the whole time. So let's go on a little drive and let's just enjoy the car. Just cars do not pay attention to street bikers at all. Alright, we're pulling up to the park right now. Let's go ahead and get in here. Damn, so you gotta pay? Oh man. It's only $3 though, it's not bad.
Hello, how are you tonight?
Good, how about you? $3?
3. There you go.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Do I put this on my dash?
On your dash.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thought I was gonna scrape my lip there for a second. Ooh. What's happening here though? Yeah, so that sucks. Yo, that's crazy. That water level dropped like crazy. The last time I was here, it did not look like this. I'm just gonna park the car here. It's not where I wanted to park it. I'll show you guys what I mean. It's got the nice little river or lake, whatever you want to call it, in the background. You see all these rocks. So basically the water level would go all the way up to here, and then you could back your car up and it'd be a nice little background. But it has dropped so much to the point where all these rocks are visible now. So that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to just make do with what I have here. But hey, we'll make it work.